This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about the two most commonly found types of vinegar. So white vinegar and apple cider vinegar. And they have a few different properties, and you may want to think about what you're making and what you're doing before you pick one. So white vinegar is obviously clear in color. It is stronger than most types of vinegar you'll find in that it typically contains between 5 and 10% acetic acid, and it's what some people would describe as aggressively sour, which is why it's used primarily for things like dyeing Easter eggs, pickling foods, and even for cleaning and stain removal in the kitchen, especially for brands that have the higher acetic acid content. Apple cider vinegar is a brown color, and it has a lower acetic acid content, so think between 4 and 6%, and it has what's described as a sweet and sour taste. So it's used primarily for things like making salad dressings, marinades, and using in various dishes to create yummy, delicious meals. So while the apple cider vinegar is much better for cooking, and this is more used for pickling and even cleaning. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.